look, the hand. Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Today is Sunday and it's no exception with the special offers each day all through December. So what have we got today? Awakening Psychic Sensors Kit. Okay, let's see what we've got. Well, sage is obviously the most important thing to awaken your psychic senses. Cleanse and clear away any negativity. Beautiful. Sage yourself. That's the first thing. What's next? Okay. Well, awakening sticks. This is about 3 minutes around your head just to awaken you and get you prepared into that great vibe energy. Fantastic. Next, please. We have, clears attachments. So just to make sure you're cleansed and cleared before you start, there you go. Clears attachments. Absolutely beautiful. That is the purest form of sage. Absolutely gorgeous. Also, spray around you too is this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous spray. They call them aura sprays. It's just to cleanse your energy. Fantastic. And this is for negative energy. So if you've been a little bit down or feeling crap or there's a little bit of trapped energy that's there, just spray some of this, which is the purest of Palo Santo. Absolutely phenomenal. So 2 beautiful sprays to keep you nice, balanced and cleansed. But here, we don't stop there because now we've got Blend of a Healer. Blend of a Healer is fantastic to use on your body, all over your body. It's good for aches and pains. It's good for anything, to even waking you up. Just breathing it in, you'll find your senses strengthen. Absolutely phenomenal. Go on to Mark Bajerski and type in Blend of the Healer and just listen to the videos that I've made of this amazing oil. It is incredible. And finally, there's an oil here which we have, and this is, makes sense, Moldavite oil. Moldavite oil, again, you'll put it on the senses, you'll put it here, you'll put it here, and you'll work with it, breathe it in, rub it on your chest, and that will also awaken and absolutely serve you well in a psychic sense. But finally, there's a little beautiful Moldavite that you'll put around your neck and then just place it on your third eye just to awaken you a bit. But it's a beautiful little piece, get you started. It's a starter Moldavite. We call them petites. So they're fantastic. Just because it's small, still powerful, guys. Put it on your third eye, you'll soon feel it. So there you go. All of that, fantastic. It comes to round about 270 and the offer is fantastic. So as well, if you end up buying that, you will also be in with getting one of these as well. So I will channel one of these beautiful pendant spheres. So one of these will be coming to you as well. So how's that? Lovely. The price of these are anywhere between 80 and this one and that one round 120, 130. So not bad, not bad. Absolutely beautiful. So one link below for this beautiful, beautiful kit. Enjoy it. Awakening Psychic Senses Kit. I think it's pretty good. I hope you enjoy it. Have a lovely day.